Hey guys, my name is Nick Salas. I'm from Winston-Salem, North Carolina. I'm a junior here at App State. I plan on graduating May 2020. If everything works out the way it's supposed to. I'm currently recording this in my car right now. I was at a coffee shop and it got too loud, so I'm just gonna finish it in here. Um, let's see. My major is nutrition with the concentration in food systems. I recently just switched that from dietetics. Just realized this last semester that that wasn't for me. I didn't want to sit behind a desk and tell people what to do, and I'd rather just be on the business side of it. My backup plan, if school doesn't work out, I'm just gonna hustle and make money in any way I can to support myself. Something interesting about me is I like to make music in my free time. Send out beats, that kind of stuff. And something I hope to learn out of this class is how the restaurant industry works. That's something that really interests me. Like people love restaurants, so I want to learn how to, be on the business side of that and how to make money out of it. So that's a little about me.